This video is a tutorial for how to set up and do the procedure for the AP Physics C Modeling Motion Lab. The equipment you're going to need: a track, stack of paper, dynamics cart, motion detector, the cable that connects the motion detector to the LabQuest 2, and then possibly a fan. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is take your LabQuest 2 and turn it on, because it will take a moment to be able to get started up. Then you're going to attach the LabQuest 2 to the motion detector. Remember, it plugs into one of the ditch ports on the side, so you're going to peel back the panel and plug it into one of the two ports. Then I'm going to take the other end of the cord, I'm going to plug it into the motion detector. Now, as soon as it warms up, it will be ready to go. You're going to have to make a decision on the motion detector, which end of the track to set it up on based on the data that you need, and it may vary from trial to trial. Okay, I'm going to open it up, make sure it is on the cart setting. I'm going to place it at this end for now. Okay, our LabQuest is still warming up. When it warms up and it's ready to go, you're going to need to shift the time for collection. The time for collection needs to be about 20 to 30 seconds. So it's hooked up. I'm on the red screen. I'm going to click on duration, and then I'm going to type in the new time. I'm just going to type in 30 seconds to make sure we have enough time. And now, okay, and that's ready to go. I'm going to shift it onto the graph so we're ready to collect. Now, one of the setups, you will need to incline the track. That's what the paper is for. I'm going to place the paper under the start of the track. And the start of the track is the end that does not have the magnets on it. Now the cart will fit on. You may need to put a note card on this end to be able to make it large enough to be picked up by the sensor, but I'm ready to make a trial. I'm going to click collect and release the cart. It goes down, it bounces repeatedly. You want it to bounce repeatedly. You want to have 4, 5, 6 bounces to be able to gather data for some of the different trials. Okay. Now, the second setup still deals with the dynamics cart, but you're going to need to place the fan on it. The fan clamps on the top of the cart. So, I'm not going to need my track incline, so I'm going to remove the paper, and I'm going to place the dynamics cart on there. Again, you're going to trigger and collect your data. I'm going to turn the fan on and let the cart go. It will again bounce off the repelling magnets there repeated times, 3, 4, 5, 6 trials. You may have to repeat to get good data. Make sure the data you get is representative of the motion. The different procedures, okay, have a similar setup, but you're analyzing different data. Ponder Physics.